Do you want to be a content creator but don't know where to start? Do you feel lost with so many recommendations, trends, and expert advice? I get you, because we all go through that. They say things like, this is the fastest growing niche. Do this because it gets views. Just copy this formula and you're done. But no one tells you something simple and powerful. You get to choose the path that inspires you the most. Welcome to this channel, a space created for people like you. People who want to share something real, useful, and meaningful. We're not here to copy. We're here to connect. This channel won't tell you what niche to choose. It'll help you discover the one that's right for you. Because the best niche isn't the most viral one. It's not the one everyone else is doing either. The best niche is the one you're excited to talk about, the one you know or want to learn about, and the one you could talk about for hours without getting bored. To help you find it, I'll show you 5 big worlds you can explore as a content creator. Each one has many sub-niches and ideas inside, and you'll get to choose the one that feels right for you. Finance and business. Interested in money, entrepreneurship, or financial freedom? This world is for you if you want to talk about investing, saving, side hustles, financial education, online businesses, and more. You don't need to be an expert in economics. Just bring your passion to learn and share. Health and wellness. Do you care about feeling good inside and out? Then this niche is for you. You can talk about healthy habits like waking up early, drinking more water, or simply putting your phone away before bed. You can also share easy and nutritious recipes or tips that help you plan your meals for the week. And the best part is this: if there's a habit, an idea, or a change that has helped you in life, that's already valuable content for someone who needs to hear it. Tech and productivity. Do you love trying out new tools, apps, or AI? Then this niche is for you. Here, you can show how to use technology to your advantage, from organizing your days, automating tasks, saving time, and getting more done with less effort. This is a great space for people who enjoy optimizing their time and helping others do the same. You can create content about digital productivity, like how you plan your day, your goals, or your tasks. You can talk about useful apps for studying, working, saving time, or staying focused. You can show how you stay organized with your calendar, notes, or digital files, or how you apply digital minimalism to avoid distractions and focus on what truly matters. You can also teach how you use AI tools or which gadgets and software make your life easier. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert. All you need is curiosity and the willingness to share what you learn. Because if an app, a tip, or system has helped you, that's already valuable content for someone who needs it. Travel and adventure. Are you someone who dreams of exploring the world? Then this niche is for you. Here, you can share the places you visited, those unique experiences that shaped you, the cultures that surprised you, and the moments you'll never forget. You can also teach how to travel on a budget, how to plan your routes, or even how to work while traveling. And if you haven't traveled much yet, that's totally fine. You can still talk about the places you dream of visiting and everything you're learning as you plan your next big adventure. The best part, you don't need to go far to live an adventure. Sometimes the most meaningful journeys happen just around the corner. Your city, your country, your view of the world can inspire others too, because every trip, every place, every experience can become a story that inspires someone else to go out, explore, and truly live. Entertainment, lifestyle, and animals. Are you passionate about movies, books, art, your everyday life, or animals? Then this niche is for you. Here, you can talk about everything you love and enjoy: movie or series reviews, your thoughts on books, your favorite comics, the art that inspires you, or simply the little things that happen in your daily life. Do you like to cook? Share easy, fun, or creative recipes. Do you collect things? Show off your comic books, figures, records, whatever makes you smile. And if you have pets, they can totally become the stars of your content too. You can talk about how you care for animals, fun facts, inspiring or funny stories, or how animals are part of your everyday routine. This niche is all about your lifestyle, how you see the world, what you enjoy, and how you express yourself. Because the things you share, even the simple ones, can brighten someone's day or help them feel understood. Your way of entertaining, expressing, and just being you might be exactly the kind of content someone out there needs to see. The important thing isn't doing what's trendy. It's doing what makes you feel alive. Because when you choose a niche that truly reflects who you are, everything flows. Ideas come, consistency shows up, and people notice. This channel is here to guide you through each of these worlds. In the next videos, we'll go deep into each one. I'll show you real-life examples, content ideas, tools, how to start from scratch, and most importantly, how to stay true to your voice. This channel is your guide, but the final decision is yours. You're not here to do what everyone else is doing. You're here to create something unique, something yours. Because your story, your experience, your voice can help, entertain, or inspire others. You just have to take the first step. And if you don't want to do it alone, that's totally okay. Invite a sibling, a friend, your parents. Share your idea, get support, dream together. Sometimes a simple conversation can turn into something big. The important thing is, don't leave it for later. So tell me, which one of these worlds would you love to explore first? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you want to keep learning how to build an authentic channel based on what you love, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. This journey is just beginning. See you in the next video.